Alright guys, I have a tip for you guys today. So this is the brand new printer that I just got. And I made one print on it pretty easily. I didn't have everything quite set right, and then I noticed that. So I was going to show you guys just really quick like how to fix that. So depending on the printer you have, it'd either be 11 or 10 millimeter, and underneath here is an eccentric gear wrench nut, and you will just go and put your wrench on it and tighten it. You see how? Okay. See how now it's pretty good. So you don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose. And usually, from what I understand, if you can turn it a little bit while holding it back, then force it to slip, then it's probably okay. But if you can't, and it's too tight. So I've adjusted mine to where like I can hold it like this. Okay. And I can spin it and hold the thing back. But so this will probably make this print a lot better. And another thing probably to check on this particular printer, from what I understand, is these right here. But this thing is pretty cool, so I'm going to move this to a different location where I can have the dryer, which hooks up directly to here, all set up. This is a big printer because they put the front of this crap out here and they didn't take advantage of the space underneath the printer. It also needs to be adjusted down here. It's not like super bad, but and I don't know about these ones. I haven't checked these to see. They look a little funky. But, I mean, these are kind of things I think when you buy any printer nowadays, I think you're probably going to have to check it. I don't think a lot of these are good out of the box. I mean, you know, they got slave labor building these things in China, so, you know, these guys are just putting these things together and they don't really care, you know, because their life sucks. So, and they don't get paid good for what they're doing, so why would they take pride in what they're doing? So here's one right here. We can slide that one, and then let's see, that one. Let's see. These are probably fine. Some grease on there. This is really similar to the CR10 stuff. Especially, like this is kind of, you know, real similar. Anyway, should I show you guys that? I found that out on this printer that it was loose. And, I just happened to, realize it and, decided I needed to adjust it, and I'm like, well, okay, how do we adjust it? So just looked it up really quick and found several different people talking about doing it. So at any rate, this thing seems to print pretty good. It's not real fast. The auto bed leveling seems to work okay, and then you just need to adjust your Z a little bit. And so we're gonna print something here soon. I just really all I have is big prints that I really don't want to do when I'm trying to figure out how a printer is going to work.